Hello. Okay, my name is Mojisola. I ordered this cubic zirconia jewelry from Indian Fashion, and I got delivery of them from them in 7 days. It's very awesome. I'm happy to be doing business with you guys. I got delivery of all of my stuff, and they are intact, as you can see. They're all intact. I got delivery of everything, and I like them. I like them very much, and I'm hoping to do more business with you. I'm also looking to do wholesale, so I'll be getting people that don't have so much monies to buy in bulk, and I'll be selling to them at a reduced price so that I can also get other people into the business. I'm happy to be doing this with you guys, and I hope that I'm going to be doing more businesses with you. Thank you. Thank you, Indian Fashion. Thank you, Indian Fashion Cubic Zirconia Jewelry. I really appreciate you. Bye. Thank you.